Back. Problem 4, section 6.1. You are given that a rock concert producer has scheduled an outdoor concert. The producer estimates the attendance will depend on the weather according to the following table. So for wet and cold weather, the expected attendance is 5,000 and the probability of that happening is 0.1. Wet and warm weather, the expected attendance is 15,000 and the probability of that happening is 0.2, and so on. So this is an attendance that is estimated. All right. Question is, what is the expected attendance? Expected attendance, expected anything is the mean. If you remember, the mean of a discrete probability distribution, it is called expected value. All right, so mean is the expected value. What do we do for the expected value? You take your x, right, multiply it to px. This times this, this times this, this times this, this times this, and add them all up. So the formula is here, x px summation. So summation x px means multiply x and px and add them all up. So all we are going to do is 5,000 times 0.1, 5,000 times 0.1 plus 15,000 times 0.2, 25,000, 0.1, 55,000, 0.6. So that's what is going to go there. All right. So if I submit it, that's correct. So expected attendance is 39,000. Now, if the tickets cost $25 each, the band will cost this much plus this much for administration. What is the expected profit? What is profit? However much you obtain minus however much you spend, right? So how much revenue, that is income, do you get? Well, tickets cost $25 each. You're expecting 39,000 attendance. So how much revenue are you going to make? $25 times 39,000. Okay, that's the revenue you are going to make. That's the amount you are going to make. Now you are going to spend a certain amount. You are going to spend 200,000, right? And you are going to spend another 45,000. 45,000. All right. So 25 times the expected attendance minus this much, that's the cost, and this much, the cost for administration. So you have to subtract these amounts from the amount you make. So that completes this, okay? So first make sure you find out what is your expected attendance. Attendance times the ticket for per person is your revenue, that is your income, and this is your expenditure. So that's your profit. All right, next problem. Prizes and chances of winning in a sweepstakes are given in the table below. All right, one chance is 200 million. So 1 in so on so forth is a fraction. So remember, probability is a number. So 1 over that, 1 over that, and so on, so on, so forth. Okay. So when you have 6 zeros, that is a million. Million with an M. Okay. So 20 million prize is 1 out of 200 million probability. $450,000 prize, the probability is 1 in 150 million. $25,000 prize, probability is 1 in 90 million, and so on. So question is, find the expected value. Expected value is x times px. X times px. Multiply, 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 and add. Okay. So the last price, notice it is a watch valued at $90. That's why I've left it at 90. So what are we going to do? Summation x px. All right, so go back to the formula. Expected value mu is summation x px, x px, x px. So this comes to 20. Okay, the numbers. So 20 million is 1 in 200,000. Okay. Okay. So 20 million, 1 in 200,000. Right? And then 450 million, 450,000, 1 in 150 million. 25,000 is 1 in 90 million. Then 15,000 is 1 in 5 million. Then $900 is 1 in 200,000. And $90 is 1 in 6,000. Okay. So I multiplied this with this, this with this, this with this, and added them all up. Submit. Okay, so that's correct. Now, the question is, find the expected value in dollars if the cost of entering this sweepstakes is cost of a postage stamp. So 34-cent stamps you have to pay. So if this is the expected amount you expect to win, then the amount you expect to win minus. So I'm going to put this amount here and I'm going to subtract. So notice, so far what I have is the amount I expect to win. So now I'm going to pay 0.34 because that's the amount I need to pay. All right, winning minus how much I need to pay. That's correct. All right, so basically it looks like I have huge amounts to win, but really on an average we are expecting to lose 21 cents. All right, so that completes section 6.1. Next we will start on section 6.2. Until then, bye.